baby cars right here.
Oh, two baby cars.
They're just going in. See.
Yeah, and Mama's telling me that's where the baby is.
Uh,
No, it's a good thing. That's where the baby grows big and strong. And then in a few months, the baby will come out and we'll meet him or her.
you, chase me.
You will chase you. Yeah.
And I'll share him.
You'll share with the new baby? That's so sweet. You're a very nice brother.
Damn.
Okay, that's a lucky baby to have a brother. That's so nice.
Baby, here.
Oh, you're already sharing with the baby.
Baby, come out.
Well, the baby's still growing bigger. And then baby will come out.
Baby, here.
Oh, you're sharing with the baby already. What a sweet boy. That's very sweet of you. Yeah.
And I hold my car.
Oh, yeah.
Baby, baby.
The baby's in Mama's tummy, but I bet the baby can hear you talking. But we won't see the baby or get to hold the baby for a few more months.
What his name?
We get to choose his name or her name. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl. And we get to choose a name. You can maybe help choose the name.
There's two baby cars.
Oh, two baby cars. Wow.
They're going bad.
Oh. Yeah, that's the thing when babies are brand new, they sleep a lot. Huh?
See, two baby cars. They're different bad.
Oh, yeah. They sleep and they eat and they grow big and strong. Huh?
See, the